Hi guys, I'm Dalton and this is
V.
And today we're going to be talking about the Bugatti Chiron and
Chevy Camaro SS
2016.
2016.
So first of all,
2011.
this is a V12 engine with an exhaust port, two of them,
It's right there.
and the engines are
You
actually
can't
back
see it.
here as opposed to the traditional here. And something really cool. If you're turning the wheels, I just noticed this, the steering wheel actually changes. And if you move the steering wheel, the wheels actually move. I can't tell if yeah.
It's moving. It's moving.
Next of all, they have put a ton of detail like this. It actually has a Bugatti sign. This, if you look at the front, it actually has the Bugatti symbol. And on the back, it also has the Bugatti symbol. The engine has the Bugatti symbol. I shall show it when I move it a little closer. And the doors open. The hood opens.
That has that
And this opens. So, let's go on with the parts.
facts.
Oh yeah, facts. This is used by the Dubai police of, Dubai. And this car's worth around, in America, worth
$9 million.
$1.9 million.
Oh. Close.
In Dubai, it's worth $9 million.
$9 million. 9.1 million.
So, let's take this off
Dealers.
and move this back.
Dealers.
Oh yeah, would you like to talk about yours now?
Dealers. Okay.
Just fun fact.
This cost $2,500,000.
Yay. Congratulations.
And
So we have...
it has a spoiler. Unlike these spoilers.
This has a trunk and
and a spoiler.
the hood.
Opens.
Yeah, and it shows the engine. And then,
And
because
it has a little window, so you
and
can
also,
see
you know what?
behind.
Because the engine is here and it has a Bugatti. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. So the Bugatti sign is here. like
And
you
the
see.
double engine
And
thing
the-
is here.
And then this is here. And then the V12 engines are here. So you may be wondering, what's the hood for? You may be wondering, what's the hood for? And I'll show you. The hood. Okay, might want to move. The hood is actually the trunk. Trunk.
Here it is, the backwards.
Yeah, the trunk is here. But if you're wondering if that's the trunk, where's the actual trunk doing? So it actually doesn't do anything unless you're on like the racing mode or you're going super fast. So what it does, say you're going into racing mode, right? So it goes like, so pretend this is like a gradual gain of speed.
And this has a spoiler. And
And then it goes like, and it goes super fast. So it's like this. Okay, so pretend this is a race. No, and it's like, yeah. So yeah, and then it does this. So this is actually a spoiler for when racing. And
this one
because
has
it's like this, it
spoiler.
has a sleek aerodynamic style.
An aerodynamic, what's that?
It even comes with a seat belt, which you may have already noticed.
Tell him what is aerodynamics.
Aerodynamics is how they get past wind pressure. So if you're going super fast, imagine running in the breeze or running in a swimming pool. If you're running in a swimming pool, can you really run? No, it's just like this. It's like this. It's like this. It's like walking in the moon, right? It's like so
You can't just
basically
go like this.
So basically, if you're moving at, 245 miles an hour, you'll probably feel the same thing. So what aerodynamics is, it's the ability to move wind aside. So you'll see these things, right? You know why it's like this and not flat? Like, say this car, see how it's more like kind of flat, right? So the reason it's more curved is because with aerodynamics, the air goes like, and goes to the side, and it's curved, and it's streamlined like this, so that the wind goes like, so yeah. Meanwhile, more muscle cars don't have that. It's more of like a just.
It's only, what's this for anyways?
This is more of like, I actually don't know.
I think I know. It's for like when You see those little wind things.
Oh yeah, when it's like going like that, it has like the little wind thingies popping up.
The white thing. I don't
Okay,
know.
tell me about the speed of this car.
This car in 1 minute can go from 0 to 245 and back to 0 in 1 minute.
Really?
I think I don't know how much this miles per hour goes.
And here's the gas
Maybe
port. Wait.
100 miles per
Oh,
hour.
this is convenient. There's a gas port in here and here.
Maybe 200 miles
So you could
per
go
hour.
here and you could do it, or you could come up like this and do it.
Maybe 50 miles per hour. This is, I don't know,
They
100
actually-
maybe.
And if you look at the bottom, you can actually see it says the model of the car. So
Yeah. Mine is dirty. It says 2016 Camaro,
Okay, what else about the Bugatti car?
Chevy Camaro. The wheels are like a vortex and they spin super fast.
Uh-huh.
cool fact.
What about Chevy?
Cool fact. Only
It looks like it's going backwards.
Only 200 of these were produced, and this was made for. Wait, no, sorry. I think this was a
one
special thing.
produced.
Yeah, this was like a special. This is like a special model.
There's only like
I think.
20 of these.
Yeah. So yeah, this
That's
is a very
expensive.
special car. They stopped
One
production.
YouTuber has it.
One special person, like the last person who ever bought it, already owned 5 other Bugattis and
What?
owned 2 Bugatti Veyrons, owned a mansion, and owned one of these. Cool fact.
a bunch of YouTubers
This is
have
the-
like a
this
cars
is
like
the-
Audi RS.
I think it's either no
Chevys.
wait. Predecessor means before, so successor. Yeah, successor. Successor. This is the predecessor of this is the Bugatti Veyron. So the
Oopsie.
successor of the Bugatti Veyron is the Bugatti Chiron, which this is one of my really favorite cars. Because if you compare it to, say, a muscle car, you could actually see there's like a slight height difference. Like this is more streamlined, so this is like less of that.
This is higher than that. It goes like that and only till here.
Yeah, it's more built for like.
That's because if it goes like super low, that means it goes super fast. Like this goes super fast,
Yeah.
and it's like.
Because you see how
lower
it's
than
like
this.
super low, right? So it gets like more wind by. This is another.
Both of these are
This
the
is
same
more like
height.
an aerodynamic cars because you can see it's more streamlined. Like
And it
some
already
cars
has
like-
a spoiler.
some
Correct.
so some cars like this
Ow.
is not streamlined. So if you notice, if the wind is heading here, it'll just go. Doop. It's not gonna go like. Cause. Doop. Meanwhile, if you did it here, it'd be like.
If the wind goes this way, it goes those little weird.
And they actually
thingies.
take it off correctly. Like instead of going like, or like this car, the Dodge Challenger, instead of going or this, which goes like and drops immediately, the this car actually what's the name for it?
This
It
looks
actually
like
is
Bumblebee.
streamlined, so it actually does it properly.
This looks like Bumblebee. Haven't you
So
noticed?
let's drive. So let's do a little simulation of these cars. Wait, no, let's do this.
Now I'm
little
gonna do
simulation.
donuts. I'm gonna do some donuts.
Wait, let's do that after this, okay?
Okay. You're not really showing them. They're having a drag race.
Yeah.
Shit. I
Oh
already have.
no, I can't do this. No.
I already have a spoiler.
Oh no.
Now let's do some donuts.
Yeah, let's do donuts. And yeah, you can do that. Well, I do this.
Donuts are especially known for muscle cars. Especially do donuts so much,
And
like the Dodge.
generally like
What are the donuts?
Donuts is when they do like this, like
drifting in
and
circles.
because of their
And
skid marks, like
Oh, the
skid.
it
360
looks like a donut.
or the 360 degree.
Yeah, like when they
Yeah, it looks
spin
like-
and
it looks
due
like
to
a
the tire
donut.
marks, the tire marks make it to look like a donut.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's what-
like
that's
because
why they call it
because you spin in
I didn't
360s.
know that.
So basically, this is what happens. So basically, they rev their tires to make it like they burn rubber. You know when like it makes like those huge skid marks, right?
Okay.
Like
So they do that and spin, so that the skid marks go in a circle. So yeah, let's do this.
And this, you might want to turn the wheels some. The rest it won't make that weird sound. Hey, I'm a muscle car too. Why can't I do drift? Well, no. Because I am.
Okay, I'm parking my car. Come on, let's do the same.
Muscle cars are also known to do tricks. Like this. Like this. It's cool, right?
Now I know how stressful it is to park.
You don't know how stressful it is to park.
Really?
At least I do.
So these two are parked very similarly, so
I
it'll be easier.
I like to do this in some games. I like to do this, then go like that.
Oh yeah, let's do this.
And I'll do this. I'm gonna jump over
So basically,
all
there's
of
this really cool
I'm
thing. that
gonna
some
jump
people do.
over all of these cars.
So basically, there's something really cool that some cars do. Basically, they do this. So I'm gonna put this back. So basically, what some cars do, if they want to like some race car drivers, they do this. So they drift, and then they go like this. So basically, they go like this.
And some people who want to go super fast go like this. They do wheelies sometimes.
So let's do this.
And drag racers are most known
yeah.
for doing
So
the wheelies.
let's go.
This, and we,
I hope. Okay, don't forget to park me. Wait until you park. Yeah. So I hope you like this video.
muscle car, supercar, supercar.
So don't forget to like, comment, and follow us. Follow our Facebook page. Bye bye. Say goodbye, V.
Bye bye. These are look like Transformers.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Hashtag try cars.